Hey boys and girls, I'm going to go ahead and go over your science assignment for lesson 4, which is 1.02. So we're going to go ahead and look at that. We're under module 2 and we're looking at lesson 4, matter and mixtures, 1.02, states and properties of matter. So I'm going to open up that page or open up that lesson, and it's a 5-page lesson. It's very quick, and it's going to go over the states and properties of matter, things like color, texture, temperature for solids, liquids, and gases. So make sure you go through all of these pages and look at the examples. There's a little graphic organizer here that can kind of help you organize, looking at the different properties of solids, liquids, and gases. Again, there's lots of activities for you to do to kind of gather your thinking. And then on the last page, you've got an assignment here, states and properties of matter. So you're going to click on that. And it's a 2-page assignment. And it says, observe the different pictures. In the space provided, compare and contrast the basic properties of color, texture, and temperature between these 3 states. So you've got bromine gas, steak, and juice. And you're going to look at these images and you're going to think about what is the color, what are the properties of these 3 states of matter. What are the colors you see? What are the textures you see? What are the temperatures? Obviously, you don't have a thermometer to check the temperature of these, but based on your knowledge from the lesson and the lessons previous to this, what can you say about the temperature of these things? Okay, so you're going to be comparing them. So you're going to first compare the bromine gas and the steak. And again, you're focusing on the color, the texture, and the temperature between bromine gas and steak. The second one you're going to compare is bromine gas and juice. What is the difference between the color, the texture, and the temperature of the bromine gas and juice? And then the last one you're going to look at is the steak and juice. So what is the difference between the properties of the steak and the juice? What is the difference between the color, the texture, and the temperature between steak and juice? Remember, when we're doing these comparisons, we're focusing on the properties of color, texture, and temperature. Okay, so when you're done, you'll go to not that page. You will go to your next activity tab and you'll click on that blue plus button that you'll have on your screen and you'll attach your work. Let me know if you need any help.